Hey guys, how's it going? I want to see if you guys have any suggestions for this issue that I'm having with Call of Duty Ghost with the campaign disc. Every time that I put it in, I try to play it as new game, and every time that I probably try for at least 20 times, if not a few more. But I give up. I don't know what to do anymore. I guess I'm gonna wait for Xbox One to come out with the game and play it then. But I heard the game is awesome on campaign, and I'm a big fan of Call of Duty campaigns. So if you guys have any solution for this, let me know. The screen freezes at that point, and I don't know what else to do. Let me know. Thanks.